guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. We're looking gorgeous. Okay, I am looking like a 10 out of 10 minus nothing. I'm looking like your Pinterest queen, period. Okay, I'm looking like I'm just looking like a beautiful black girl, period. All right, so guys, this wig is from Luvme here. You all know that, you know what, quality, they sell quality. Okay, they sell quality, and this wig is, you know, I know it is big and you're thinking, is this wig heavy? Honey, it is not big, and it is not heavy, and it is not going anywhere. Like, it is secured. This is a glueless wig, by the way, ne? And again, you can see the C part is nicely done. Okay, I did not do it myself. Luvme hair did this. Okay, like, I am looking absolutely gorgeous. I love everything about this wig, guys. So this video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video, guys. I also have a discount code for you guys in the description box down below, so do check it out. I also have direct links, so if you want to purchase this gorgeous, actually, if you want to look this gorgeous, just click the link in my bio. Okay, go get yourself this wig. Get yourself this wig, honey. I look so pretty. I'm just imagining myself with my orange dress, guys. I'm definitely wearing this wig with my orange dress. I'm going to look like a 10 out of 10. Okay, so yeah, guys, I look so pretty. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna stop looking at myself right here. Okay, so let's just get straight into today's video so that you can see how I achieved this gorgeous look. So I'm going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. Look at the packaging. It is looking absolutely lovely. Okay, it is nice. I love this Luvme Hair packaging. Every time I open it, I just feel like, oh my goodness, this is a present from Luvme Hair to me, period. Okay, so let me show you guys what is inside. This is the hair. I'll show it to you just now. Okay, so they were kind enough to send me a wig cap, a hair clip, wig storage bag that is branded, a lovely Luvme hair scarf. It is silk. I love it. And now onto the start of the video. Okay, I will show you guys this wig just now. Ne? Obviously, guys, the knots are bleached. Okay, the knots are bleached. Look at that, and look at the side C part situation that is going on here. Look at that, it literally looks like scalp. Okay, I'm really obsessed with this, guys. This wig has 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and 1 over here at the back, and also 2 adjustable straps, so that you can adjust this wig according to your head size. Okay, these are the adjustable straps, and it also has a band to secure it, especially if you want to wear this wig as a glueless wig. And I love my wigs as glueless. Okay, these are like my go-to wig. So guys, this is literally going to be my go-to wig. Now the curls are Afro Wig. Okay, this is Afro curls, and look at that, they're literally, look, they're literally bouncy. I love this. So we are going to put, oh guys, this is quality. This is absolutely gorgeous, guys. It is stunning. I cannot believe how beautiful it is, and it is nice and long as well. As usual, guys, the rest of the video is self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch and enjoy this installation process, even though I'm not going to be using any glue, but I just want to show you guys how it looks on me, and I'm really excited about that. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. All right, so let's cut the lace. Let's wear this wig and cut the lace. And you know what, the curls are really nicely defined. So yeah, we're just gonna separate them a bit. Let me try and see how they're gonna look. Yeah, look at that, beautiful. Yes. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely gorgeous. Love this. Love this so much.
I know you could be my remedy. How long will you keep trying? I know it's not, babe. It's not easy. I guess deep down inside, I knew you could be my remedy.
So basically guys, you can still leave this wig like this, okay, with the curls really defined. I really love the look. I love it. Okay, so you can actually say, you know what, this is it. I bought this wig from Luvme Hair Company. The only thing that I did was just to cut the lace, and that's it. Okay, or you can actually separate the curls. Okay, so we're gonna do that in this video, but I just wanted to show you guys how gorgeous this wig is without me doing anything to it, without me separating the curls. The curls are nicely defined, as you all can see, and of course you'll know that this is a glueless 5x5 wig closure. So yeah guys, it looks absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Look at the C-part situation. It is absolutely bona. I give it a 10 out of 10. So we're going to separate the curls, and yeah.
If I gave you my heart, you could tear it apart. And if I tell you how I feel, would you be good to me? Good to me. How nice if I just could let you
Guys, look at the fullness. Oh my goodness. Oh.
I know you could be my remedy. How long will you
Love it. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness, I am so happy, guys. I love this afro situation that is going on here. Yazin, go big or go home. All right, like, oh my goodness, this is absolutely stunning. Okay, show me where's the lace. Please point it out. Ah, wow.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one stopping.
Guys, this wig is a 10 out of 10 minus nothing. I love the afro situation. Look how big this wig is, and let me tell you, it is not heavy. Don't worry, this wig is not heavy. It is very lightweight. Okay, so guys, I'm looking super gorgeous. Okay, I love this wig. It is my first time wearing such a long and nice big wig, and I am feeling it. I'm loving it, guys. Let me hit the things here. Okay, so please don't forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. And I also have a discount code for you guys. It is Manaso 23, and you're going to get yourself some points off. Okay, until next time, bye guys.